Hello and welcome to the AI Peel. Today I'm sharing my knowledge on how to create a passive income stream with ChatGPT AI. In this step-by-step guide, I'll cover everything you need to know to start making easy money. So come along with me and you can make valuable products with minimal effort. You may have fantasized about earning more money with no effort, a passive source of income that continues to bring in cash while you sleep. It frees you up to do anything you want, whenever you want. As a passive source of income, Etsy is surprisingly effective. I know this firsthand because I've been doing it for years. Videos for you if you do not know where to begin. We'll go through the steps for selling digital goods and printables on Etsy and ChatGPT to build a passive revenue stream. Who uses digital downloads? Millions of people, especially those who are trying to improve their lives. Rather than receiving a tangible copy in the mail, clients may just download these designs. Templates for calendars, invitations, birthday cards, company logos, picture filters, and more are just a few examples. The fact that a digital product has to be created just once and then marketed indefinitely is one of its primary selling points. You may save time selling digital things on Etsy since the platform assists with delivery. Okay, let's begin. So, what's the trick to this? We will use ChatGPT AI to create digital products, design them, and list them on Etsy. This will generate passive income to help you live the life you want. I'll show you exactly how to find winning products using ChatGPT to streamline the process. I'll also cover the creative side of things. I'll show you how to design a professional-looking digital product using Canva. And finally, I'll explain just how to publish the products on Etsy so they get noticed and purchased. You need to sell something people are willing to pay for, and you should constantly strive to provide distinctive goods that can't be found anywhere else. My research tactics are the secret to this. There are a lot of ways you can find products to sell. This one, however, is simple, effective, and free. How do you do it? Easy. You use Etsy's search bar to help you brainstorm. But there is one catch. You need to have an idea of what you want to create. I asked ChatGPT's chatbot for suggestions, and it provided some broad ideas. Digital planners are great sellers, so I picked this idea. Instead of a purely digital product, let's make something people can print and write on. Now, here's an important step. We need to narrow this product down to a specific niche. If you don't have a target audience, your product won't be focused enough. So we will return to our ChatGPT bot buddy to get some potential niches and target audiences. Health, wealth, and relationships are fertile ground for self-improvement. Keep watching to see how I turn this idea into a beautiful and helpful product for my customers. So, to recap, I will make a printable planner especially for people who want to improve their lives. The next part of the process is to hop back over to Etsy to ensure this is a valid product idea. Type your keywords into the search bar, for example, printable self-care organizer. You'll get plenty of results, so take a look at them and pick out a few you think are standouts. Next, we need to analyze the product, so pick something with regular, recent reviews to show it's selling well. Your analysis should include noting the style the planner is in, how many pages it contains, and checking the reviews to see what people liked about it and what they didn't like about the product. The tips I've taken from this product include keeping it simple and easy to understand and allowing different options for your customers. When you have done your research, you will know what people like and what products have proven to sell, and you'll be able to create a one-of-a-kind, high-quality product with this knowledge. After my research, I decided to create a one-page self-care tracker with 2 other pages, a simple daily planner, and a gratitude journal to offer in a bundle. Now we'll use Canva and ChatGPT to create our product. You can create something similar to the products you've analyzed, but today, let's make something altogether unique. With ChatGPT, type in the design you want to create and ask for a design layout. This may take a few tries to get right, but once you tweak your questions, it will create a detailed layout. You don't have to follow this suggestion exactly, it's just to use as a starting point. Let's head to canva.com where you can search for many ready-to-use templates. You can customize it to appeal to your target niche, from the fonts to the imagery. Here's what I made in about an hour on Canva. The foundation of my product is a template I created for keeping track of good habits. My daily planner and appreciation diary are not carbon copies of ChatGPT's response. Also, you may have noted that I used the same design aesthetic for all 3 templates. This was done in response to a comment made by a reviewer of one of our competitors' products, who felt the planner pages were inconsistent. Download your images as a PDF and print them out. In under 10 minutes, I created an Etsy listing with the images and descriptions from ChatGPT. Your product listing is ready to go, and now you can open your Etsy shop. Opening an Etsy shop is free, but listing a product costs you 20 cents. To reassure potential buyers, you need to set up your Etsy shop with a profile photo, a banner image, and a photo of you as the owner. When entering the product title for your listing, be sure to include important keywords relevant to the product. Look at how your competitors do it, then put your unique spin on it. After that, choose the product category. In this case, it's calendars and planners, and set the product type to digital. In the description, explain what your product is for. You can also use ChatGPT to write this. Now you can set your price. I recommend you start on the low end, and then after you have some sales, you can increase your prices a little. At this point, you upload your product, which is the PDF file you created. Once you click publish, you have posted your first product. Congrats! For maximum success, you should add new, equally high-quality products regularly. Etsy handles the rest, so this method is a great way to earn passive income. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe.